Hi, this is Brahmanaidu. Welcome to SFDC scenarios. Today we will see how to get the custom metadata records in Lightning Web Component. Let's get started. Okay, first what I'll do is I'm just going to create one custom metadata record. Okay, let me just create one custom metadata type. Okay, so state, I'm just going to name it as state conceivable. And then under this metadata, what I'll do is I'm going to add multiple records here. Okay, add AP state, Telangana state, Tamil Nadu state. On. Now, what I'll do is first let me create an Apex class in order to retrieve the record from this custom metadata object. Okay, let me just open custom metadata. Okay, so let me create an Apex class here. So I'm creating an Apex class. Custom, let me just name it as custom metadata controller. So I'll be creating one annotation here, RI enable. So I want to put catchable equal to true, since I want to execute the server-side logic with the help of while. Catchable equal to true. Okay, public static. I'm just going to return multiple records here. So let me just remove it. Public static list of. So what is the API name here? State metadata. State metadata. And then I'm going to return list of records here. Return. This is the API name. I want to get all the values from it. Metadata API name dot get dot values. Get all dot values. Okay, let me just deploy this code to the source hub. We don't have to write the query here. We just need to, put the API name here and then get all and then values. It's going to return the records which we have created under state metadata. Okay, now what I'll do is I'm just going to import this method in custom label demo. Import. So what is the method name here? Sorry, I haven't given any method name here. Get state records. Let me just deploy this code to source hub. Okay, get state record from Salesforce Apex and then class name. So what is the class name here? Custom metadata controller and then method name. So what is the method name here? Get state records. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'm going to execute the server-side logic with the help of wire property. So in order to make the use of wire property, we just need to import it. If you don't import it, then you won't be able to use it. So wire, and then the name of the method and the reference. Get state records. Records. Okay. So this records will have two references. Okay. If I want to access the data from it, records, I mean, just need to, make the use of records.data. let's say if something goes wrong, let's say if there is any error, then it contains an error. So if you want to display an error, records not error. Okay. So now what I'll do is, let me just go to HTML. I'll just iterate the data and try to print it in the HTML. List template for each. Now the data will be present in our records. Okay, I'm just putting the reference here. Item record. Okay, so now I'm going to write list here. E plus. Then now I'm going to print record. Okay, so now let me push this code. Sorry, we have to put data here in order to display the data from records variable. Let me just deploy this code to the source app. So what is our component name? Custom label demo. So let me just include the component name here. Custom label demo. Let me just click on preview. So the data is coming in the form of object. So I think we are displaying the record here. Okay, let me just put the VLAN here. Let me just go back to, let me just copy the VLAN and then we'll just apply the code. Let me just deploy it to the source app. So we are getting an error. Okay, let me just redeploy this code to the source app. Okay, so it's deployed to the source app. Let me just reload it. Now we should be able to see the records, 3 records here, AP, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. Yes, values are coming here. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.